Deep in the ocean lives a creature that has mastered what humans only dream of: escaping death itself. Fact 1. This tiny marvel is called the Immortal Jellyfish, scientific name Turritopsis dohrnii. Fact 2. It's barely 4 to 5 millimeters wide, smaller than a fingernail, but it holds one of the greatest secrets of biology. Fact 3. Unlike most living beings that age and die, this jellyfish can reverse its life cycle and literally start over. Fact 4. When threatened, injured, or old, it transforms its adult cells back into young cells, just like rewinding time. Fact 5. This process is called transdifferentiation, where its body reprograms itself into a polyp stage, the jellyfish's version of childhood. Fact 6. It can repeat this cycle again and again, making it, theoretically, immortal. Fact 7. But it's not invincible. It can still be eaten by predators or die from disease. Immortality here doesn't mean indestructibility. Fact 8. Scientists are fascinated because this jellyfish might hold clues to reversing aging, healing cells, and even curing diseases in humans. Fact 9. Despite its incredible power, it was discovered only in the 1990s, and we're still unlocking its mysteries. So, the next time you think immortality is just a myth, remember, it's swimming quietly in the ocean right now.